So I am still in X-ray mode and I'm going to turn that off. So I'm going to go up to View, Face Style, and uncheck or click on X-ray to turn it off. And you can see here now I have my first floor and my second floor. You're going to be pulling the walls up to the interior height that you expect the walls to be from the floor to the ceiling. So in the case of my first floor, my walls are going to be about 8 feet high. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to the push-pull tool and I'm going to select the exterior wall here and I'm going to pull it up and I'm going to type in 8 feet. We're not going to include the pad in here because I'm going to show you how you're going to do that later. Once you've done this once in SketchUp, SketchUp will remember this. So if you double click the next part and the next part and the next part and so forth, it will remember until it forgets. So in the event that it forgets, just select it again and you can use Inferencing by just pulling it and then mousing over to the one next to it and continuing that way. Now this might look a little strange that we're keeping all of these weird sections, but it does serve a purpose in the long run, which is to show us where we are going to be putting our windows and doors. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the interior. I'm going to use inferencing. So like I said, you pull it up, but then you mouse over another wall that's the same height and it will bring it to the same height. And you can see if it remembers. And so you're going to go all the way around the perimeter and click. And you're going to pull those walls up to height. Now, when you're done pulling all the walls up to height, what I'd like you to do is go around the outside and change the face of that window to white. And to do that, you're going to take your selection tool, you're going to select the surface, right click, and you're going to say reverse face, and it's going to turn white. So go ahead and do that on all of your window openings and your door openings if it helps you, so that you can really see where those windows are going to be. I'm going to go do that now and then we'll get on to the next piece. Okay, so that automatically kind of shows you a little bit about where those window placements are going to be. Now, even though this whole part is selected, I know that this window is actually going to be up high, and I also know that these windows are going to be staggered because the stair is here, and I still need to put that in. So I'm not going to do anything until I have the stair in to decide where I'm going to put those windows. So once you've done that, you've brought the walls up, you've reversed the faces on the exterior windows and doors, you're going to turn off the floor plan, and you can see that things look kind of hollow under here.